Hello to everyone, welcome to the Python course. This is officially every programmer's first project, which it is Hello World. If you are not familiar with the space I'm using, this is Jupyter Notebook in the Visual Studio Code program, and you can check the video to get know what is going on here. So by doing this, we get known that Python is installed correctly on your system and it is even though working on your space. So I'm just gonna run this, and here you guys can see that the output is shown Hello World. So Python, it has a lot of built-in functions, and one of them it is print function. So it's a built-in function that we're just gonna call the function and send our arguments to it. So we just send the hello world as a string. So how do we define a string? So while we are using a set of, let me just type print, and in the middle of my set of parentheses, while we use a set of single quotation or a pair of double quotations, we just define the variable format to be a string. For example, I'm just gonna say hello YouTube. As I'm just gonna do this and run this, here you can see that the output it is hello YouTube. And even though there is no difference if you use a pair of single quotations or double quotations. Let me do it with the double quotation. I'm just gonna say hello subscribers. I'm just gonna run this cell, and here you can see the output, and there is no difference by using a double quotation or a single quotation. The only thing that it matters, you must use a pair. You must use both of them in one. I'm just gonna say hello world. As I'm just gonna run this, here you can see that it gives me a syntax error. Unterminated string literal detected at one line. So this is a syntax error. As the same as using one single quotation or one double quotation. Here you can see that we just get the same error, and you cannot use a double quotation with a single quotation. So on the right hand, I got the single quotation, and on the left hand, I got the double quotation. Here you can see that we get the syntax error. And anything you want, you can just print in your functions. And even though you can have multiple outputs with multiple print functions, I'm just gonna say print hello world, and I'm just gonna say print hello YouTube. I'm just gonna run this cell, and here you can see we get two outputs. As I told you, why we use hello world to see if the project is going to be working on your system. And as I told you, you can just use anything you want. For example, I'm just gonna say print, I'm just gonna type print hello world from Mehdi. I'm just gonna run this, and here you can see that the message is shown. And even though you can just print other stuff, just like numbers, I'm just gonna say print just like 100. I'm just gonna run this, and you can see that number 100 it is shown. But the format of variable here sent to the print function, it is different. It is an integer. It's not a string. And even though you can just print, for example, a string using by the side of a number. I'm just gonna say hello, my age is 20. I'm just gonna run this cell, and here you can see that this message is shown. Or even though by showing in another format, I'm just gonna say print hello, my age is, and I'm just gonna separate the messages using a comma, and I'm just gonna use 20. I'm just gonna run it, and here you can see that hello, my age is 20 is actually working on my system. So this was everything that you need to know for this project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow the course and other videos in my YouTube channel. I wish you guys the greatest time. Stay tuned.